In this video, I'm gonna go over all of the Helium 10 tools that I use to accelerate my business. Now, if you're trying to subscribe or if you're trying to figure out if you want to subscribe to Helium 10, this is the video for you because I'm gonna give you a quick overview of all of the tools and how they can be used to actually build your Amazon business and how to actually help it accelerate by using these tools. Now, before I hop into all the tools, my name is Pretty, and on this channel, I talk about how you can build wealth by using the web, and I primarily talk about Amazon FBA and how you can grow your Amazon FBA business. So if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing. But let's hop over to my computer screen and let's start talking about all of the Helium 10 tools. Now, before I actually hop over to my computer screen, I do want to give you a quick overview of the main tools that I like to use. I pretty much use Helium 10 every day except Sunday because that's my day off, but I use Helium 10 to validate products, to find product ideas, to find trends, to find keywords, to make my listing better, to optimize my listing by using their tools. And seriously, it's the only tool that you need if you're trying to be a private label seller on Amazon. Literally the best tool. It's how I found my first product. Now, I absolutely love Helium 10. I've been using it for the last 3 years, way before they knew about me. And recently I became an affiliate. So I do have a discount link in the description down below if you're interested. And it does help out my channel, so I truly do appreciate that. But let's hop over to the tool number one. Absolutely my favorite tool, and that tool is called Black Box. And this is Helium 10's tool that helps you do product research. Now, if you haven't checked out my Black Box tutorial, I go through how I find products to sell on Amazon. Very step-by-step, very extensive tutorial, and I'll link that right here. But seriously, my favorite tool because it helps you find products. And when you're using this tool, you're actually able to input different criteria such as the search volume, such as monthly revenue, how many ratings, how many reviews. There are so many things that you can do with this tool, and it's literally the best tool. And I use this tool all the time, pretty much every day when I'm doing product research. Can't recommend this tool enough. This is how I found my first product. Now, again, this video is an overview, so I'm gonna move on to the next tool. And the next tool that I love using is Magnet. Now, Magnet helps you find keywords that you can embed in your own listing to help you rank in Amazon's algorithm and hopefully start ranking on page number 1. Now, Magnet and this next tool that I'm going to talk about go hand in hand because they allow you to, number 1, find keywords and analyze the market and figure out what keywords you should be implementing into your listing. And tool number 3 that I absolutely love is Cerebro. And what it allows you to do is look up keywords from your competitor's listing. Yeah. Pretty crazy. You can go take the ASIN from your competitor's listing and look at what keywords they're ranking for and ultimately take those keywords and embed some of them in your listing so you can ultimately rank on page 1 and compete with them. Seriously, so priceless. It's a tool that I use all the time. Every time I'm building a listing, I'm using Magnet and Cerebro for sure. Now, speaking of product research, I also use Frankenstein, and that is a listing optimizer. It helps you find keywords that you should have in your listing. It also tells you which ones you don't really need in your listing, and ultimately, it really just helps you figure out how to better your listing. So it's definitely a tool that you should use once you've built out your listing and you're already like on Amazon. This is a great tool to use if you already have listings and you want to go back and optimize them. Let's say you're having trouble finding a product, or maybe you want to launch another product. This tool on Helium 10 called Trendster will help you find products that are trending, and they will help you figure out when the trends are, so you can look at the chart and figure out, oh, this product is really doing well in Q4 versus Q1, and it'll help you figure out the trends. So if you're looking to sell seasonal products or if you're looking to find trending products, this tool is really, really cool. Now, another tool, I know Helium 10 has so many tools. Another tool that I really do love is Keyword Tracker and Index Checker. And what Index Checker does is it checks what keywords you're indexing for. So keywords that you're actually ranking for, keywords that are working, it will give you a green light, and it helps you figure out what words that you should keep versus what words you might want to consider taking out of your listing. Now, Keyword Tracker gives you the rank on your products and the keywords that are related to it, which is really cool. So it helps you track your keywords. It helps you see what keywords you're ranking for and what keywords that you're not doing so well in, so you can ultimately, update your listing and make it better. Misspellinator That's a funny word. Misspellinator helps you find misspelled words that people are typing in that are misspellings. So it's really a competitive edge when you're able to rank for misspellings too, because your competitors might not be ranking for those, which ultimately means more clicks on your listing and more conversions, which means more sales. So having misspelling keywords in your listing is actually really cool, and it will help you rank further up in the page. So let's say people are misspelling, I don't know, water bottle. It's a hard word to mess up, but you'd be surprised. Let's say they're spelling it B-O-O-T-L-E. I don't know, something like that. But if you had that keyword in your listing, you would rank for that keyword and you'll get more sales from that misspelling. So misspeller is actually pretty cool, and you can use it to figure out what keywords that people are misspelling that are relative to your product. Pretty awesome. Definitely something that I like to check out if I want to include some misspelling keywords in my listing. Now, there are still more tools to cover. Believe it or not, Helium 10 even has more tools that will help you take your business to the next level. Now, I really do like alerts. It can alert you when there are any hijackers on your listing or any issues that are really going on. So that's just another way to do checks and balances for your business, because there are some things obviously Amazon will notify you on, but this is just a third party that can also help you figure out if there are any hijackers, if there's anything going wrong in your listing, or what you need to do in order to make your listing better. Alerts also alerts you when you get reviews, which is really cool. I can appreciate that, because sometimes, if you have multiple listings, it's hard to keep up. I like to use, Amazon Seller Central to really look at my profits, but they do have a tool called Profits that will help you track your profits and see how many sales you got. So if you're using Helium 10, it's just a great way to be connected to your Seller Central account, and you can check out your profits from that as well. Another tool that I recently started using is follow up. Now, you're able to follow up with your customers. Now, as you guys know, you're not really able to talk to your customers on Amazon.com. Like, they do not want seller customer interaction, but by using follow up, you can actually get emails and send emails to your customers, which is so cool. That can also help you build an email list and ultimately gives you more feedback and more access to your customers, which is also really, really beneficial and cool if you're trying to build a brand. So I absolutely recommend using that as well. We're almost done, but there is another tool that I really love, and it's called Market Tracker. And what it basically does, it tracks the data for whatever niche you're in, and it kind of tells you where your product stands. So whether you're ranking really high in that niche or whether you're in the middle or low, it kind of gives you a great idea of where you're in that niche, and it tracks the market data for you. And that is a really helpful tool as well, because if you know that you're doing really bad or you're low on the market tracker list, you can obviously get in the higher ranks if you implement, different keywords, and also obviously Cerebro. Like, you can look up at your competition's listing and use their keywords to rank higher and higher on page one and ultimately get more sales. So love these tools. There's so many ways you can use these tools. You really, really can get a ton of data, and I really love Helium 10. I would never push something that I don't personally use. I would never go out of my way to make a video about it, but Helium 10 literally gives you access to so much data. I swear you can do so much with Helium 10. And I know as a beginner, you're probably not going to use all these tools, but I highly recommend that you use Blackbox to find a product. I highly recommend that you use Magnet and Cerebro to find what keywords. I also love Market Tracker just to see where I am in the market, in my niche. And then obviously follow up is great to get access to your customers' emails, and really to be able to follow up with them is so, so cool. And then of course, I really do love Index Checker and Keyword Tracker, because you want to know what keywords you're actually indexing for and what keywords that you are actually doing well in and which ones you're not doing well in. I forgot about this tool. Oh my God. Scribbles is really, really cool as well. And what Scribbles does, it helps you adjust keywords in your bulletin point, in your title, and in your listing in general. So if you're having trouble and if you want to optimize your listing, Scribbles is a great tool as well. And I highly recommend using it. And lastly, they do have a tool called Refund Genie that can help you get refunds. Yeah, so sometimes, Amazon mishandles your inventory and you are entitled to a refund. Let's say someone sends your product back and it's not actually your product, you are entitled to a refund. So Refund Genie is really cool and you can absolutely dive deeper into that as well. And I also want to talk about portals, and basically what portals is kind of like a ClickFunnels. They help you build a landing page to your product. So if let's say you're trying to build a website and you want to just take it over to Amazon, you can actually build a portal through Helium10, which is really cool. And lastly, Helium10 does offer a course. It's called Freedom Ticket, and basically Kevin King comes on this course and apparently it's really good. It will help you figure out how to sell on Amazon and just will work you through an actual course and give you step-by-step instruction. So it is kind of pricey, but I do recommend it if you're really trying to get that competitive edge and if you're really trying to figure out the process. It is a great investment. So this was just a quick overview of Helium10 and all of the great tools. You guys know I absolutely love Helium10. I wouldn't push anything that I didn't believe in. Helium10 has a huge part in my success on Amazon, which is why I love them, which is why I rave about them, and which is why I highly recommend them. If you want a discount, there will be a link in the description that will give you a little discount. And honestly, I highly recommend that you try it out, because if you're a serious Amazon seller, this is the tool for you. And if you're trying to sell on Amazon and you're trying to find products, you absolutely need this tool in order to validate and in order to even find products, because they will literally walk you through, based on what criteria you input, all of the products that fit that criteria. And you can even find suppliers through Helium10, which is so cool. I didn't talk about the Helium10 Chrome extension, which is just amazing. I literally use that every single day when I'm on Amazon trying to find products. Highly recommend the Chrome extension as well. I'll make a separate video on that, but this was just a quick overview of all the Helium10 tools. There are so many tools, and I'm telling you, each of these tools has helped me accelerate my business in its own way. I absolutely love Magnet, Cerebro, Frankenstein, Scribbles, Magnet, again, so awesome. Black Box is literally the main tool that I use, and I do love Follow Up, Market Analyzer, Keyword Indexer. There is just so many tools, and each of these tools really do help, and they're not just random tools. They literally will help you build your listing, will help you rank, will help you build a brand, and will help you grow your business on Amazon. If you have any questions about Helium10, feel free to ask me. I've been using them for over 3 years now. I will make more videos on each of these tools and how to use them more in depth, but again, this video was just a quick overview. Honestly, I might have forgotten some tools, but these are the main tools that I use and that have really helped me take my business to the next level. I absolutely love Helium10. I highly recommend it. And guys, I'm being completely transparent. I would never push something that I didn't believe in. I literally only use Helium10 as a private label seller on Amazon. And you guys know, on this channel, I talk about how you can grow your Amazon business. This is the #1 tool that if you're trying to be a private label Amazon seller, you need this in your arsenal, and you need this in order to grow your business and to find products and to validate products and to build your listing. This is the tool. I swear to God, this is what has helped me grow my Amazon business and really take it to the next level. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you have any questions, leave them down below. But before you go, please give me a thumbs up. And if you need help finding a product, here's a link to my Helium10 Black Box tutorial where I walk you through on how I find products to source on Amazon.